WG Locksmiths team presents the case study series, Garage Defender Installation. The customer has requested a security assessment on the garage door. We performed the investigation and advised that the door would benefit from additional lock on the bottom, which is the weak spot of this type of door. We recommended the Garage Defender upgrade as the best solution for security improvement. Garage Defender gives you a massive security update at an affordable price. This solution is both cost-effective and reliable. Customer has accepted the quote and given us a green light for the installation. This is the Garage Defender set. It includes the mounting plate. It is being secured to the ground with fixing bolts. The Garage Defender body. The shackless padlock. Our engineer has performed the installation. The installation has been completed. This is how to securely lock the Garage Defender. Put the Garage Defender skeleton on the mounting plate. Secure the body with the padlock. Thank you for watching. Please share the video.